In today's video, I'm going to teach you Google Keep headers, how to create custom Google Keep headers in Google Slides. 5 minutes. We're creating a clean custom header image in Google Slides and using it at the top of a Google Keep note. This is a simple workflow you can reuse for different notes, classes, or projects. Start by opening the Google Apps menu in your browser and choose Slides. Create a new blank presentation so you have a fresh canvas. On the top menu, click Insert and choose Word Art. Type the title you want to see on your note header, then press Enter. Word art is perfect here because it's easy to style and keeps the background transparent when we export. With the word art selected, use the toolbar to customize it. You can change the fill color, the border color, and the font to match your style. Aim for high contrast so your title stays readable in Google Keep. You can also drag the corners to resize and position the title across the top for a banner-like look. Next, open the Insert menu again, choose Image, and click Search the Web. Search for a simple icon that fits your note theme, like checklist icon or calendar icon. Pick a clean, high contrast option, then click Insert. Position and resize the icon so it balances with your title. Minimal icons work best and keep the header uncluttered. If you're using web images, favor royalty-free or clearly licensed icons. When it looks right, go to File, click Download, and choose PNG image. PNG preserves transparency, which helps your header blend nicely on the note. Now switch to Google Keep in your browser, click Take a Note to start a new one, use the Add Image button, and upload the PNG you just downloaded. The image will appear at the top of the note as your custom header. If you want to fine-tune the look, use the background color options in Keep to pick a color that complements your header. Lighter backgrounds usually keep text more readable. When you're happy, click Close to save the note. That's it, you've built a reusable system. For future headers, duplicate your slide, swap the title text and icon, and export another PNG. A quick tip, keep consistent sizing and alignment in slides so all your headers feel cohesive. Also, leave a bit of space at the edges so nothing gets cropped in Keep's preview. You now have custom Google Keep headers made in minutes, ready to organize your ideas with style and clarity.